Raya Shikshan Sanstha's e-learning platform, English Bal Bharti Standard 6th. Hello students, today we will be covering a poem, The Clothes Line. It is an easy poem. It's written by Charlotte Truett Cole. Basically, in this poem, the poetess has visualized the clothesline or clothes on a clothesline. She has just tried to personify the clothes to the life. Hand in hand they dance in a row, hither and thither and to and fro. Flip, flap, flop, and away they go, fluttering creature as white as snow. So here she is talking about the clothes that are hung on a clothesline for drying. Seems like they are dancing hand in a row in many different directions. Why the poet saying that they dance? Because in the wind they seems fluttering. So it seems like they are dancing, and while moving in different direction they are making flapping noise. Since the clothes are just washed, so they are cleaned and they look as white as snow. Like restive horses, they caper and prance. Like fairy tale witches, they wildly dance. Rounded in front but hollow behind, they shiver and skip in the merry March wind. The poet is trying to compare the clothes with restless horses as they jumping and moving quickly, and also compared with witches of fairy tale. Like the clothes are out of control, and it's the month of March and it's windy. So because of the wind, the clothes are rounded in front and hollow behind. One I saw dancing excitedly, struggling so wildly, till she was free, then leaving pegs and clothesline behind her. She flew like a bird, and no one can find her. Since the wind was very strong, so the clips that we used to hang the clothes to the clothesline or the pegs couldn't hold the clothes, and the poet saw that one of the clothes dancing excitedly until she was free, and it flew away within a minute. It was out of sight and nobody knew where it went. I saw her gleam like a sail in the sun, flipping and flapping and flopping for fun. Nobody knows where she now can be, hid in a ditch or drawn in the sea. The poet is describing the cloth that was released in the wind. It seemed like shining like a sail in the sun. Its movement was very exciting, and poet is imagining that where the piece of cloth might have gone, either it had been drawn in the sea and hid in a ditch. Ditch means hole. She was my handkerchief not so long. Sorry. She was my handkerchief not long ago, but she will never come back to my pocket, I know. So in this, the poetess here remarked that the white piece of cloth was her handkerchief that flew away. So the poetess is saying that cloth would now never come back to her pocket. So here we have some new words and their meanings. Restive means restless or unable to remain still. Caper means leap, skip, or dance about in a lively, playful manner. Prance means walk or move with high. Wildly, here it means very hard or violently. Peg. Peg means pins used to secure something in place. For example, clothes on a clothesline. So I hope you understood this poem very well. Thank you.